Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We're to the channel in today's video. Well, I guess in the last video, y'all seen we painted the handles for the 6.0 here. They're currently still not in. So it is currently 9:30 on Friday. We painted those yesterday. Got finished around 1, I think. So they should have had plenty of time to cure. So we're gonna go ahead and start throwing them back in here. I kind of need them to be cured because I need this tomorrow. And tonight I gotta be in Conway with the 300 at about 4. So yeah. But anyway, let's give this thing a nice cold start here. 56 degrees. So and there we go. And again, if you're hearing that racket back here, that's the exhaust hitting the bed. Yeah, that's the exhaust. I need to fix that at some point. But anyway, I'm gonna pull this thing over here at the shop. That's very annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna pull this over here. We're not gonna pull it in the shop quite yet. But we have all the pieces over here in the seat that I need. So we're gonna go ahead and put them back together. And then we'll go ahead and throw them in here. But I figured while I was up here, I'd go ahead and just pull this down here. And when I'm ready, then we'll just leave this in here since I'm going to be right there. But like I said, when we get the handles in, I'll just come out here, pull this right in there, and go ahead and throw these on. So I have to pull the door panels back off, but y'all have seen me do this 1,000 times already, so it's nothing new. But anyway, I guess with that being said, we'll go in here, start getting everything all back together, and hopefully get them back in the truck here before too long. Also, guys, one thing I did want to throw in here, I just finished the video. The truck looks great, but I wanted to say, if y'all enjoyed today's video or possibly found it helpful, please get down there, smash that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Trying to grow the channel and hit 2,500 before the end of the year. So like I said, if y'all hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Alright, so like I said in the last video, if you hadn't seen the last video already, go check that out and then come back. But we got all of our handles painted and they look great. A little bit of trash in the paint, but nothing too terribly bad. But they do look great. So a little bit of wet sanding will take like pretty much all the impurities out of these. So I'm gonna move everything over here. I got some microfibers laid out, so I'm gonna move everything over here, and then we'll go ahead, unwrap our tables here, and start getting everything put back together. Alright, guys, so we got everything all back together. No scratches. Everything looks great. Really happy with this keypad, if we're being honest. So got that. Got the lock cylinder put back in the driver's side handle. Got the pins back in all the way. So we're good to go ahead and throw these back in the truck. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the 6.0 in and start throwing these things back in there. Alright, guys, so I got those two handles in. Everything's back together over there. And yes, I know my door's sitting against this. Just very gently. I'm not pushing on it at all. But anyway, I went ahead, got the keypad in. I don't know if y'all can see that real well, but I wanted to show y'all on the keypad, you do have, if it'll focus on it, probably won't. You do have this little clip. So, there we go. It clips in, you know, plug it in on the outside of the door, put it in so it holds it, and then slide that clip on. What I had to do was reach around it over here. Whoa. Reach around it on the back side of the door and hold it, and then push the clip in through here, through this access in the door here. So, with that being said, now we can go ahead put our handle on. And this door's already chipped. That way, that's why I'm not really worried about it. But anyway, there we have it. So, now we can go ahead and throw our handle in. And one thing I wanted to mention, anyway, like I was saying, one thing I want to mention is on these handles, you have this little rod here. That's what opens your door. It goes into a clip on the latch here. So to open it, you push this, it opens the latch, or the little rod clips into there, and then you close this. Test this before you put your panels back on. That's what I've been doing. And on this back handle here, these do look beautiful, by the way. Truck is super filthy, so they might not look like they match, but we'll get this thing cleaned up and they should match much better. But it's filthy. But on this handle, it you know, I tested this, you know, just kind of shut the door, open it a bunch of different times, and this one popped out because I didn't have it latched good. So be mindful of that. What I'm doing to latch them, taking this screwdriver, putting them in there as far as I can get them, and then you can come through here and pop them in. So anyway, I'm gonna get these other two on, get them panels on, and I'll back this thing out of here and show you what we're looking like. Alright guys, so we got everything put together. This driver's side door was a pain in the rear end, let me tell you. Had to take the thing out 3 different times because it was too tight and the door wouldn't open with the outside handle. Get a little time check for y'all here. So started about 9:40, 9:38 to be exact, is when we started the truck and moved it a while ago. And now, see, 11:44. So just over 2 hours, which is not too bad, in my opinion. So again, this driver's side one was a pain. What I ended up having to do is the rod that opens the door, the latch rod, what I had to do was bolt the handle in and then go through the access in the door here and then latch it with the handle bolted in, or else the door wouldn't open from the outside. But we got it all together here. Oh, I looked at it kind of briefly as I shut the shop door, but this is going to be the first time seeing it out in the sun. And there we have it. That's much better. I do like that. I need to get these mirrors done. I really would like to do the cowl, the wiper arms. I've debated on powder coating them purple to match, well, on top of the hood. Show you all that purple a little bit better, but as you can see, they all open. They kind of nicked the paint a little bit right there when it wasn't opening, but everything's fine now. I am going to leave the truck here in the sun, that way they kind of cure, because the paint is a little soft still, but the buttons still work. We'll unlock it. So just like so. The lock works. I tested it out with the key. Everything is all back together. So that's locked. Unlock it, and there we have it. So this door's always been tough to open. It's got tape around the latch so it doesn't rattle, but there we have it. So pretty happy with that. You can see under here even more now where I think this is an aftermarket door. I think this truck's been wrecked, but now you can see the shoddy prep work even better. But it is what it is. I do want to paint this truck at some point, but everything's good there. But anyways, back to the wiper arms. What I was thinking was either paint them to match the truck, or we could do them. See if I can get this open one-handed. Nope. Or powder coating them purple to match everything under here. So y'all let me know in the comments. What do you think? Should we do purple or do red to match? I've kind of been going back and forth with that. The mirrors, I do want to do the mirrors. Decals, my SL logo and whatnot. I'm going to make, I have some vinyl ordered. Those are going to be redone in purple to kind of match everything. But there it is. So super happy. Let me get a thumbnail here. But super happy with how everything looks. I do like this whole look. So again, like I said, at some point I would like to paint the whole truck. I mean, it's swirled forever. Yeah, you can see that. Same thing here. It's got its fair share of scars and dents and everything else. And then, like I said, this. Yeah, but we'll get all that fixed up at some point. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna actually pull it over there in the sun. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, we have more 6.0 parts that just came in earlier. So I'm gonna get some reels videos of this thing and pull it over there in the sun, and we'll probably end out the video here. But anyway, guys, it is now the next day. To be completely honest with you, I completely forgot to make an outro to this video until I was in here editing. But the handles look great. Really happy with the handles. So I think next I do want to paint the cowl on the truck, similar to what we did on the white truck. On the white truck, like I said, we color matched the cowl and the arms. So y'all let me know on the 6.0, should we color match the arms or should we powder coat them purple? I've gone back and forth on that, but y'all let me know. But anyways, y'all can hear there's some weather rolling in. But guys, I think that is going to be a wrap for today's video. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.